we are doing a collab, and we both want to say Happy New Year! We both have YouTube channels, and of course, I have my home decor channel, and my daughter has
it's like a family channel. Kids, family stuff. Come check us out, and we do YouTube shorts. Sometimes we dance, sometimes we do pranks, sometimes we do educational stuff.
But it's a lot of fun. Either way, it's a lot of fun. We have something for everyone. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to make two nice drinks. One is more of a festive drink, and one is a classy drink, okay? So we're going to make a Jack Frost first, and then we're going to make a French 75. And since she's here with me, we're going to do a little sampling when we're done. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now we're going to fill our glasses. And so now we have a nice Jack Frost. It's a perfect winter festive cocktail. Okay, so I know that New Year's Eve is coming. And whether you're young adults with your kids, you're getting a break away from your kids if you're going out with hubby for the New Year's Eve, or you're going out for date night, or if you're my age, a woman of a particular age, and you're going out with your hubby and you want to decide to get some nice cocktails, or if you're entertaining at home, you can make a Jack Frost. It's very festive and entertaining. And so, you know, and it's tasty. So we're gonna taste it, and what I'll do is I'll put the description, the recipe down in the description box, okay? All right, okay, daughter. Put it back on the table over there.
I'm back. I was filming.
Good to see you. You wanna make a toast?
To a good 2023. We're going.
Okay, so we're back with our second classy cocktail, which is a French 75. This really is a really nice cocktail. So I am an amateur, but when you order this out with a bartender, some bartenders really do a fabulous job making this, but this is really a classy cocktail. So this is what we're going to start off with. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of gin. And we're going to put this all in a shaker. I might use a little bit more. And then we're going to use 3/4 an ounce of lemon juice, which I've already measured. I'm going to put that in my shaker. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Okay, and then we're going to use 4 ounces of champagne or champagne. So let me get
The bubbly.
The bubbly. So let me get mine, which we already opened it. You see it bubbling? And we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to shake this all up. Well, we be doing that again?
You gotta. I can't even get it out.
Well, I gotta take that, right?
You gotta post that one.
We had the one Jack Frost, and I promise you, look, guys, I didn't even drink that much. I didn't even drink that much of it. So we're gonna try to make this French 75.
Jared, please comment on this. My brother, only if my brother was here. He'd be cracking up.
Okay, so we're gonna try this again. We need 1.5 ounces of gin. So let's pray the same thing. If this happens again, y'all, I'ma stop. Wait a minute, let me put the ice. I'm all discombobulated now. Okay. We're gonna put.
Like, comment, and subscribe if y'all like making drinks with us. We try to have a little fun.
All right, we need 1.5 ounces of gin. And we need 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon, which I've already put in here. Okay. We need 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Oh my gosh. Okay, 3/4 of an ounce. And now we need 4 ounces of champagne. So let's try this again. Of
Okay,
champagne.
we're gonna try it again.
Okay, 4 ounces of champagne.
4 ounces?
Yeah. Okay. Now I will hold on tight this time. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
She's slamming it down there. Okay, here we go.
Oh, this is the champagne that's making it bubbly. See, that's why you have to be a real bartender to do this. Okay, so here we go, guys. All right.
That looks good.
That's the way it looks.
What is it called again?
It's a French 75. It's really a nice cocktail, despite how I just crushed it. It's really... Okay, since I made it, I'm gonna have a taste. Oh, that is really good. Considering that I had the bloops and blunders. Taste it, Jamila.